Avery Nabil, thank you very much. Still, the culprit for all of the downpours and storms we've had the last 2 days is this area of low pressure, which is almost kind of a loose way to describe it. It's an MCV, a mesoscale convective vortex, that is an area of lift that continues to just drift and sort of back and forth over central Texas. This is in part a result of the leftovers of Tropical Storm Barry that made landfall in Mexico here days ago. Yet a lot of the moisture and the lift is in the right place or the wrong place and continuing to not be kicked out by anything. You can see how high the humidity levels are, dew points in the 70s across much of the state. So there's ample moisture and there's enough lift that we keep seeing these downpours and storms generated again and again. And even though we're getting a lull now, which is a good sign, there are signs that more rounds of rain and storms may develop several hours after midnight. Big picture, we have seen a big drop in rain and storm coverage the last few hours, which certainly is helpful. But we're not done yet. We don't think so. You can see why here. 11:30 tonight, just a few showers, no big deal. But then we get past 2, 3 in the morning. There's been some consistent signals of a regeneration of downpours and storms, especially focused in the hill country. San Saba, Lampasas County may be at the highest risk for additional flash flooding, but that risk is almost over the entire hill country and maybe even parts of the metro again here for tomorrow. Looks like that coverage of rain and storms does grow in the morning tomorrow, and then it may lull again before growing more as we head into the afternoon. Here's 2 o'clock, more downpours and storms. Some of those may try to get back into the metro and our eastern counties before fading again as we get into tomorrow night. Rainfall amounts tough to nail down specifically, but from a range perspective, could see another 2 to 6 inches of rain in some spots in the hill country tomorrow. Less than that in the metro and our eastern counties, but still another 1 to 3 inches possible there. The flash flood threat is a 2 out of 4 during the daylight hours of the day tomorrow in the hill country, but remember it's higher than that during the overnight hours tonight. So rainfall coverage at 50% tonight and 50% tomorrow, largely focused on areas near and west of 35. Rain chances way lower Monday, but still at 20%, then at 10% here Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast, and we're all relieved to see this, a longer stretch of drier, hotter weather, which is exactly what we need after so many days of downpours and storms and flooding and just devastation here in central Texas.